Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel B for B.Tech. So in this video we are going to learn about secure application testing. So first we will see what is secure application testing. So this is the process of evaluating an application's security to identify vulnerabilities and weaknesses. Means one of the most important goal of this testing is to ensure the application is secure, protects sensitive data and prevents unauthorized access. Means for an application, when we are trying to work with that application, in that application if there any glitches is there, if then any weaknesses are there, so that we are finding and that we are testing through this secure application testing technique. Secure application testing firstly test the application and then fix all the issues in the application before it is deployed and exploited. Means this technique, this testing technique firstly test the application that whether it is working fine or not. If it is not working fine, then it fix all the issues in the application before it is deployed and exploited. So now we'll see the what are the importance of application security testing. So first one is identify vulnerabilities. Means what are the weaknesses a application is having, it will check and it detects and it will solve that issue. Second one is mitigation of risk. So if there is any risk is coming in the middle of that application, then firstly it tests that risk and then it after that it resolves that risk. So risk management is also there in this testing. Third one is protection of sensitive data. Means if any sensitive data is there, there is a security of that sensitive data. Means the sensitive data will not be leakage in the middle of the application. Fourth one is cost efficient security. Means it is not that much costly, it is cost effective and it is cost efficient. Means any organization can have this application security testing. And the last one is maintain user trust. Means it can maintain user trust because whenever application security testing is using, then it already checks and already test all the issues. If there is any issue is coming in that application, then it clear all the issues, so it develops a user trust also. Now we'll talk about all the 5 types of this application security testing. First one is SAST, that is static application security testing. Second one is DAST, that is dynamic application security testing. Third one is IAST, that is interactive application security testing. Fourth one is penetration testing, and fifth one is vulnerability scanning. So first we will talk about what is static application security testing. It analyzes the application code without running it to find security flaws early. Means it's like as proofreading the code for mistakes before it's launched. Before it's launched, it like without running the code, it analyzes the application code. So that is coming under static application security testing. Second one is dynamic application security testing. It tests the application while in the running condition. Means while in the running condition, it tests the code to find vulnerability in the real time machine. Means when the application is running, it checks the code and find what are the weaknesses in that particular application. Third one is interactive application security testing. So it combines both SAST and DAST. Means static application security testing and dynamic application security testing. It is the interactive, it is the combination of SAST plus DAST. Means based on the mechanism of SAST and DAST, it works and it checks while executing the application, and it checks the code. If there is any error or any issues is coming, then it rectifies it. Fourth one is penetration testing. It is like hiring a hacker to test your defenses. Means in this penetration testing, it checks by attacking into the application whether it is having any issues or not, whether the penetration is happening or not. If a penetration is happening, then it rectifies it, otherwise it is proceeding for the next level. Now the last one is vulnerability scanning. It is like running a checklist to catch the common problems. It means if any common problems is there, any weaknesses are there, anything is there, by scanning the vulnerability scanning, it checks the weakness and it rectifies the issue. So these are the 5 types of application security testing. Now we'll move to the process includes. What are the process with which this application testing works. First one is planning, second one is preparation, third one is testing, then analysis, and then reporting, and then remediations. Means first, what it plans the things, like what are the requirements a user is having, whatever the things a user need to do. Then preparation, what are the things it need to have, application is have, whatever the testing we need to perform, it prepares all the thing. Then testing is having, means if any issues is there, it test first and then analyze. After having the testing, it analyze whether the application is like ready to work or not. If any issues is coming, then it rectifies it. Based on the analysis, it maintains or develops a report, and after the report, it solves the issues. So these are the 6 steps in which this whole process works, that is of application testing. Now some of the tools I have used here, like I have given the example, some of the tools that is used in the secure application testing, like Burp Suite, then OWASP Jab, then Code, then Checkmark, Nessus. These are some of the tools that is used in the application testing. So basically it is nothing but for the security of the application or application security purposes. And if then any vulnerability or if there is any issues is there in the application, then this secure application testing is being used there. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel, and please be continue for more updates and more such like contents. Thank you so much.